Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG on your Mac. While PUBG does not have a native macOS version, several effective methods allow you to enjoy the game. We will explore two primary approaches: leveraging cloud gaming services and installing Windows using Apple's Boot Camp Assistant. Each option provides a unique experience, catering to different setups and preferences, ensuring you can join the battleground. Cloud gaming services offer a fantastic way to play PUBG without directly installing it on your Mac. Platforms like NVIDIA GeForce now stream the game to your computer, handling all the processing on their servers. This means you can enjoy high-quality graphics and smooth frame rates, even on less powerful Macs. You will need a stable internet connection, ideally 25 megabits per second or faster, to ensure a seamless and responsive gaming experience. For the most authentic and high-performance PUBG experience on your Mac, using Apple's Boot Camp Assistant is often the best choice. This method allows you to install a full version of Windows directly onto a separate partition of your Mac's hard drive. Booting into Windows gives you native access to the game, just like a dedicated PC. You will need at least 50 gigabytes of free storage and a valid Windows operating system license to set this up effectively. While less recommended for optimal performance, some players explore emulators, though these generally do not offer the best experience for PUBG. Regardless of your chosen method, optimizing your Mac is key. Close all unnecessary background applications to free up system resources. Additionally, experiment with PUBG in-game graphical settings, perhaps lowering shadows or textures, to achieve smoother gameplay and maintain consistent frame rates, ensuring your competitive edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.